Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you doing? It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful, 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 beautiful day. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's 11 a.m. East African time, and as we speak right now, the market is really so nice. If you check on our analysis yesterday, so who is here? Let me just know on the chat. And if you join this, ensure that you like and make sure that you like this live. It's really going to be so much interesting. So ensure that you just do that. It's really going to be amazing, All right. So if you're joining this, like, all right. I don't know how many were here yesterday. So if you are here and you were here yesterday, then exactly you know what we are talking about. You know what we are talking about because yesterday was so amazing. What happened? Because the Trump himself just came live, I think 10 minutes after we ended our live here, and then the market went in a very crazy way. That is what actually happened. And I think the market favored us because we were waiting for this exact statement to be made by the Trump. And that is how the market just decided to do at the hour. And you can see now, right now, the silver is trading above 70. Remember, we were buying at 63. There is this position that I just opened here at 63. You all remember that. And I told you I'm going to hold it all the way maybe to 80. And I know it's just going to round a lot. The other thing that we bought yesterday was US 30. Was around this area here when we were buying the US 30. Just told you that this area is going to be a very big buy that is going to be happening across this area here. This area here, you see this area here, look at this big kind of around 41 45 200. So those are another buy that we took yesterday, and you can see how the market is really doing incredible because the market that's really touched 46 900, and I hope maybe we're going to touch 50 or 49. Although there are a lot of things that are happening right now, but I hope the market is really going to move so good. The market is going to return to its place, like we are really going to move to 49. And if you are owning long-term entries like the US 30, if you just owning even one position, you must be in a very big profit right now as we speak. So that's how the market is really doing. Very incredible, very nice. Are you enjoying this and you are not like this video? I'm still waiting for more people to join on this so that we can proceed at least with the today analysis. What do we expect? Because yesterday was so very nice, right? So if you're joining us for the first time, just like not even the first time, but ensure that you like this live right now. I'm going to be very quick here because I'll be leaving this video right here so that you can just go all over it again and see how it's going to be happening. Now I'm going to the candlesticks right here so that we can see what we have. How many remember this? So you remember when we are talking about the exact thing. So this is what our analysis was saying yesterday. We end these buys over here, and I was talking about this trend line, how the market has actually been moving. Look at how the market actually touched above the trend lines and then reversed back. What we can just say is that this market actually just, this is actually a retracement, because if you take even a Fibonacci from the downside here, drag it all the way, if you take a Fibonacci and drag it all the way, just like that. So let me just repeat again on this. Now, yesterday we were buying around this area here, and remember I told you that you need to buy the US 30 from this place, and of course you got how the market went. But don't forget about this trend line that we were talking about this case here, how the market has actually been moving. And you can see actually the market touched around 46,900 and then just went back to this position here. So if you are wise, you could have actually seen how the traders were overwhelmed here. We got a lot of sales, a lot around this area here, but the market went back down. And now after that, then you could have actually entered again around this zone here, because if you take the Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high around this area here, then you realize that this is where 60 and 61% is lying. This could have actually been your second buy position that could have taken around this area here. And that's how you can see now this market is strictly now moving up like this. And what can we get from this market? Of course, now I'm expecting this market to come and test, either break this and move at least to 47, 60, and then after that maybe we can have to break this region. Actually, this market we're going to test here, which is around 300, so which is 47,300. So at least right now we have almost another 1,000 point to move on the US30. So that is likely what is going to happen with the US30. Remember, the same movement that we are getting from the US30 is the same movement of the Nasdaq. So if you're buying, although the Nasdaq prices are really very low, and compared to the US30 very slow as well, so you need to take note on that. The other thing that we highlighted yesterday is on the silver. Silver we bought around 63. I'm waiting to see 80 if that is possible as well, but already the market is very up. So that is where you can see I'm still holding this position that you see here. So this position that you see here, I'm holding them from yesterday. I don't know why this is twisting, but I just put it the way it is. Don't know why it's displaying like this, but that is what I have. Yeah, so I'm going to just leave it like to just run, because 63, I don't think the market is going to move back to 63. Although the market, there are a lot of things are happening. Iran is rejecting how the Trump was really talking, and I think that is the only thing that is slowed the market. So if Iran are going to sync with the Trump ones, I think the market is really going to move so well in a very crazy way. The prices for the gold right now is very low, but I think if you had joined us yesterday, then that could have been a very good spot for you now to buy from this market. That is just an update that I wanted to just put in place. Then I'll see you again in the next 1 hour.